What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video, and this video is for Tony P. He was asking me about how I tighten my belt up and make sure that my belt is straight on my conveyor dryer. And I'm a attempt to show him in this video, but mine may not be the exact same way that yours is, but I'm gonna attempt to kind of show you how to do it and what knobs and stuff that I use to do it.
Okay, so basically on my conveyor dryer I have knobs and bolts that I use to tighten it up. Right here you see the two black knobs that I use to tighten everything up, and on the sides of the machine I have bolts. Okay, the bolt right here, and there's also one on the opposite end. Both of those bolts right there, what you would do is use it to adjust the roller into the correct position so that the belt is actually stretched out as wide as you can get it, as tight as you can get it. Before you actually stretch it, you need to make sure that your belt is on there correctly. Unlike mine, as you see right here, mine is actually not on there straight. It's actually over to one side, but it is tight so that it won't go over any further. But yeah, you make sure it's on there straight, and once you get it on there straight and you tighten the rollers up so that it stretches the belt out as wide as you can get it, then you use the black knobs on the end to tighten it up and hold it into the correct position. So that is basically it. All conveyor dryers may not be the same, but that is how mine works.
And yeah, I'm not a real technical type person that is really good at like fixing stuff like that. On my conveyor dryer, my belt was actually sliding, and I'm not a big technical person because, you know, I'm not good at figuring things out like that sometimes. So my son, actually, he's 14 now, but he was actually younger than that when he figured out how to stop my belt from sliding, and we kind of went from there and just tighten everything up, and it kind of took both of us to do it. So, you know, if it's similar to how mine is set up, you may need two people to do it. But hopefully this video helped some of y'all out, and if it did, y'all make sure y'all hit the thumbs up button. And if you like the video, subscribe, because I post videos like this each week. I also leave links down below in the description box for the supplies and equipment that I use to make t-shirts. And if you want to be a part of the Prince Squad group on Facebook, I have a link for that down below also. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.